हूँ कि एक मैंने सुना था कि हम कई बार पत्तों को तो वो करते हैं, पानी देंगे, उन्हें पॉलिश करेंगे, लेकिन जड़ में शिक्षक है। दिखाई तो बच्चा देता है जड़ में लेकिन यदि दिमाग से सोचें तो जड़ में शिक्षक है। शिक्षक को एम्पावर्ड करने की जरूरत है और मैं आप लोगों से उम्मीद करता हूं कि हमारे इस मिशन और विजन में आप सभी साथ देंगे। मैडम आगे बढ़ाएं प्लीज। थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी। थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी।
Thank you so much, Madhu Yanaki. So further moving ahead with our journey for the discussion, we have with us Dr. Pooja from Punjab University. I welcome you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Shikta. I am Pooja, Dr. Pooja. I am presently working in Punjab University in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. And I am overwhelmed to having received this prestigious award. I thank Shikshak Kalyan Foundation and the selection committee. Regarding my academic achievements, I have obtained PhD degree from Thapar University in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. The title of my thesis is Design and Analysis of Variable Digital Filters Using Fractional Fourier Transform. I have written many research papers in Science Citation Index journals. I have published various books. My recent book is titled Electronic Circuit Analysis Using LT-Spice Simulator, a practical guide for beginners. It is published with CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group. I have developed various online courses on various platforms such as Udemy, Facebook, and YouTube for helping students in this lockdown period, for the poor students which cannot go for paid courses. So I have given them free education, and I'm a teacher by choice. So, and I strongly believe that our small efforts can bring a big change in the most promising human resources, that is our students. So regarding NEP policy, new education policy, I think it's a teamwork. It's not an individual work. So we need help of our organization. We should be given proper guidance from our organization to associate our students with industry. Like what I can do is I can take my students to various industries if my organization permit me, and I can make them aware of their specific needs. I can do one-to-one matching of my student skills with the industry needs. Skills are there within the students. It's just we have to show them the right path because we are mature, our brain is quite mature, and we can think. So we can we are provided with so many cookery shows on YouTube. So if we watch them, and when we go in the kitchen, we will definitely come out with something. We will definitely make something. In first attempt, it may not be so good, not so yummy, but one day we will succeed. So as a teacher, my role is to show them the path, to forge a path for the students that suits their specific needs and skill sets. And continuous learning, the foundation of performance, any performance of any individual, whether it's a teacher, student, is like continuous learning. Being a teacher, I will try to indulge my students in inculcate in them a habit of continuous learning with the tools of love and inspiration. So these are my roles for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and I will definitely strictly follow the guidelines for teachers faculty development program and students development programs, and I will share them with I will make them to reach to the most likely audience. And commercialization of education should be stopped. But one thing I forgot to tell you, the challenges which we are facing in engineering education, one of the major challenge is non-uniform allocation of seats in various disciplines. These days, authorities are allotting so many seats to computer science and engineering department. This is ruining all other engineering disciplines. So if balance is not there, like if IT is there, all streams, electronics and communication has its own value, mechanical has its own value, civil. So how do people if we are not giving importance to civil engineering, how can we construct this our nation? How can electronics, how can we build technology, improve technology? So it's not all about IT. And another problem is in engineering education is we do not provide them wholesome learning environment. We need to make them learn the life values. We need to make them learn how to be humble, compassionate, and cooperate with your peers, how to be proactive and inquisitive. Like there are so many cases which come across, like students are not behaving well with girls. They are like whistling while when they enter in the class. Sometimes they misbehave with teachers also. So we need to this wholesome learning environment to be incorporated in higher education and engineering education system also. So I would like to conclude with with the Albert Einstein saying that education is what remains even after we forgot what we have learned. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jagdish sir, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you so much, Dr. Shikta ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pooja. Indeed,
Thank you,
yes,
ma'am.
what you stated was holistic education is not only degree-based literacy, it is something more than that. We talk about infusion and the usage and integration of frontier technology, maybe related to robotics, AI, or ML, which is encouraging and which is encouraged to make our youth ready to face the newly emerging global challenges. And as Indians, we need not to only recognize but also go for the disruptive technology